So, you lost everything. The job's gone. The relationship ended. The friends disappeared. The plans fell apart. And now, you're left staring at a blank wall thinking, how did I get here? Good, because this is where real life begins. Welcome to zero. And from zero, anything is possible. Before we go deeper, if you're someone who's fighting silent battles and trying to rebuild your life day by day, hit that subscribe button to join us here at Daily Driven Soul. This is where broken people come to rise again. There comes a moment in life where everything just breaks. Maybe you got fired. Maybe your dream fell apart. Maybe you're tired of pretending you're okay while you're falling apart inside. You're not weak. You're not alone. You're just at the beginning. The messy, painful beginning of something better. The world won't tell you this, but rock bottom isn't your ending. It's the foundation you've been given to rebuild smarter, stronger, and more real than ever before. Let me walk with you now and share 5 emotional life lessons that will help you rebuild your life from zero. Lesson 1, accept your zero. You can't rebuild what you're still refusing to admit is broken. Let go of the denial. Let go of the act. Accept your zero. Say it out loud. I lost. I fell. I broke. That's not weakness. That's the beginning of strength. You see, people stay stuck because they won't face the truth. They pretend they're okay. They fake smiles. They keep dragging the weight of what was. But the moment you say, this is where I am and I'm not hiding anymore, that's when change begins. Zero is clarity. Zero is the clean slate that most people will never have the courage to face. So face it, own it, then rise from it. Lesson 2, build a daily war plan. Now that you've accepted your zero, here's the next step. Don't try to rebuild your life all at once. Just win the next 24 hours. Create a daily war plan. Small wins that stack up into transformation. Wake up early, make your bed, go for a walk, drink a full glass of water, apply for one job, read 5 pages of something powerful. These tiny victories, they're not small, they're everything. Every comeback is built on consistency, not intensity. You don't need to be amazing today, you just need to show up. Brick by brick, win by win, you rebuild. Lesson 3, choose your new identity. Rebuilding your life isn't just about what you do, it's about who you become. The person who broke everything down can't be the same person who builds it back. Ask yourself, who do I want to be now? How would that version of me act? What would that version stop tolerating? Close your eyes. Visualize that new identity. Write it down. Name it. Own it. You're not broken. You're under construction, and that construction is shaping someone wiser, stronger, and more dangerous than you've ever been. You're not fixing your past. You're building your future. Lesson 4, cut the dead weight. If you're serious about starting over, you've got to let go. Let go of the people who drain your energy, the habits that keep you numb, the stories that keep you small. Stop waiting for closure. Stop giving second chances to what's already shown you. It doesn't serve you. Make space. Make room for the new version of your life to grow. Delete, block, cancel. Whatever it takes, cut the weight. You can't fly carrying yesterday on your back. Lesson 5, move in silence. Not everyone will clap for your comeback. Some will laugh, some won't believe it. Let them. You don't owe anyone your progress. You owe it to yourself. Move in silence. Work in the shadows. Let your new life speak for itself when it's ready. Your journey doesn't need permission. It needs patience, grit, and silence. Protect your healing like it's sacred, because it is. Let me leave you with this. Every great comeback story starts in the dark. The broken moments, the silent nights, the empty rooms, the deep breaths before the first step forward. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're not too broken. You're just at zero. And zero isn't the end, it's the beginning. Start small, move quiet, show up daily, and don't stop until the life you see in your mind becomes the one you're living in real time. If this spoke to you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit like, tap subscribe, and share this with someone who's rebuilding too. This is Daily Driven Soul, and here we rise again.